Kids Press-on Nails Kit. Thrilez False Nails Set for Kids contains 6 boxes, totally 144 pieces. Children press-on nails of assorted sizes and designs, suitable for the girls, kids and teens nails art decoration. Press-on Nail Kids Set is the ideal gift for girls 7 to 12 in Christmas, New Year's Day, parties, birthday and more. Different false nail for girls. Our girls' press-on nails are printed with variety lovely animal patterns of cat, rabbit, vibrant colors and more. Easy for kids to DIY various nail art style and meet the different dresses needs. Safe for kids' nails. Kids' artificial nail tips are made with non-toxic and BPA-free plastic material, cosmetic grade and kids-friendly, no harm to children's fingernails and skin, durable and reusable. Pre-glue short stick-on nails. Girls' false nails adopt pre-glued and press-on style. Children's short full-cover false nails are simple for girls to stick on fingernails. Kids can finish a adorable nail art decoration within a few minutes. Assorted Girls Fake Nail Size. Press-on fake fingernails includes 12 different size, fits for most kids and girls ages 7 to 12, to meet the need of different age girls' nail art decoration need and create a beautiful nail art. Top reviews from the United States. Pretty but tiny. Very pretty and cute but seem to be very tiny. Haven't given them to my granddaughter yet, so I am not sure if they are going to fit.